Bermuda Triangle theory. The story begins in March 1918. A ship called the USS Cyclops sunk within the Bermudas in the Atlantic Ocean. The ship vanished and its wreckage was never found. How could that happen? The crew was lost in the storm, not knowing where are they heading. They tried to make a contact, but all they could hear was static. No one could hear about them. The ship sank and vanished into thin air within 309 crew members and passengers. In 1945, a similar incident was published in the newspapers. 5 US Navy Avenger aircraft disappeared during a training flight from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Radio contact was cut, the pilots lost navigation and were lost in the dense mist. The tragedies were normal before the GPS was invented and rapid response air received. Several ships and aeroplanes were lost into the same exact places between Florida and Bermuda and Puerto Rico, so this place came to be known as the Bermuda Triangle. What could be behind this mystery? Could it be aliens? Magmatic anomalies of an underwater city like Atlantis with the power of the crystals, which caused many scientists to be interested in this phenomenon, the Bermuda Triangle. A large number of experts, physicists, scientists are trying to find a reason why hundreds of airplanes and ships are vanishing without a trace within the same area. In the alien theory, many people believe that creatures from space could be behind the disappearance. Around 360 BC, writer Plato mentions a place where special civilizations of people with high intelligence lives that are half humans and half gods, who create huge cities shaped like a circle with their own sewers. City was called Atlantis. There was plenty of gold, silver and another precious metal. This civilization was so advanced that they used magic crystal on special pyramids. I believe they could have used the time traveling and or between the worlds. The greatest disadvantage for such advanced civilization was that it was in the center of the ocean, and so it was surrounded by the ocean. There was no protection from either side of the city, which made it fatal. On a freezing and stormy night, Atlantis was swept to the bottom of the ocean by a tremendous wave to be never seen again. Projected location of Atlantis is estimated to be around Bermuda's Triangle, whereas the city crystal had been lost, and that might explain the strange magnetic waves and why pilots and ships lose control of a radar and a compass keep swiping around, then getting lost within the mist. However, the question is, why no wreck was ever found? Is it possible ships and aeroplanes travel through time? Atlantis is buried somewhere within the oceans. The ocean covers more than 70% of the surface of our planet, so it could be swept anywhere. But from the story of Plato, I believe it is somewhere, and soon we will be able to locate it.